everybody, welcome to today's video. In this video, this is going to be a voiceover of the Northwest helicopter tours that we took out of Kent International Airport. That right there is Bill Gates' hangar with his plane. We are just preparing the aircraft for takeoff at this time. This is a little bit of a short overview of the aircraft. Here we are taking off. Absolutely perfect day to go flying. This was a surprise birthday. Surprise bachelor party, excuse me. Surprise bachelor party gift for a friend of mine. That's Bill Gates' hangar right there with his plane. Train cargo. Absolutely gorgeous day. The flight from Kent International will take us around the city of Bellevue, Snoqualmie Falls, and Seattle, back to Kent. Just absolutely gorgeous day to go flying. You get a true good perspective of the Evergreen State. This right here is the city of Bellevue. It is our first stop to the left, kind of going around slowly, Bellevue. You can see the Cascades up ahead slightly. Again, you get a great perspective of all the greenery in the Great Pacific Northwest. It's just absolutely wonderful to experience that from a different perspective. This is just a part of the Puget Sound and the Cascades up above. We are again making our way to our next stop, Snoqualmie Falls. Snoqualmie Falls. And you get a better perspective of all the greenery here on this side. Up above, ahead of those mountains are the Great Cascade Mountains of Washington. Great clear day. Unfortunately, we were not able to see Mount Rainier because of those Cascade Mountains. There I'm trying to zoom in to Snoqualmie Falls, which was significantly high level and definitely overflowing with lots of water. As we're approaching Snoqualmie Falls, you can see in greater and deeper detail all of the lush greenery, beautiful evergreen forest trees. We will be making a full circle around Snoqualmie Falls. That right there is the hotel and resort on the cliff of Snoqualmie Falls. And here we are making our full circle around Snoqualmie Falls from the other direction. It's definitely marvelous perspective here. As you can see, that hotel right on the edge there of Snoqualmie Falls. You can book your stay there. I don't know the exact website, but you can definitely look it up. We took a very slow circle around just to enjoy the great scenery of the falls and the forest. Here's just another different wonderful angle of Snoqualmie Falls and the Cascade Mountains. This is the I-520 floating bridge. That is the second or third longest bridge. I forget exactly what pilot Ken mentioned to us. but it is definitely a floating bridge in the water. Of the Puget Sound. We're going to be heading towards Seattle, passing by quite a few waterfront properties. We will also be passing by next Huskies Stadium, Alaska Airlines Field, home of the Washington Huskies, Washington State University. Washington Huskies, beautiful campus. Whoever went there, please reach out. Some of the waterfront here. I forget exactly what marina this is, but it's definitely a marina right before Seattle. Quite a few boats there on the water. Private residents with their dogs and their boats and things. We're making our turn into Seattle. At this point, we are slowly making our turn into Seattle. As you can see, Seattle there in the distance. Number one side of the Seattle cruise ship terminal, where at the time Princess Cruises was docked to the right there. Princess and Holland America. And here is Climate Pledge Arena and the infamous Space Needle. And this is the downtown Seattle Norwegian Cruise Line docked. Famous high rises of Seattle. Apartments, businesses, various businesses, Microsoft, Boeing, Starbucks, the Great Wheel, the pier, also Pike Place Market, Lumen Field, and T-Mobile Park. We could not fly directly over T-Mobile Park because of flight restrictions due to a game in progress. But this is basically our final approach back into Kent International Airport, passing through the Seattle port terminal of all the cargo and container ships and port of all the goods and all everything that goes through Seattle. And this is the beginning, the tail end of the Seattle port. Basically a little bit more of the waterfront. Just want to take the time to say a huge thank you to Helicopters Northwest for a wonderful tour. To Pilot Ken, who did a phenomenal job this flight. Absolutely amazing. And now we are coming up past Boeing Field with all of the jets that are completed for delivery, going through their final inspections before they are delivered to the airlines that purchased them. We are now on final approach for landing into Kent International Airport. Just another view of a close-up of brand spanking new planes waiting to be delivered, waiting for clearance by the FAA to fly and be delivered. Once again, thank you to Helicopters Northwest for a wonderful tour. Thank you to Pilot Ken for doing a wonderful job. Thank you very much for watching.